Hi, in this video we'll show you how to postpone your event through your Tickeri account. After you have logged in, you will be presented with the event dashboard where you can see your upcoming events. Today we will be postponing the event Siente la Music Fest. After you've selected your event, please click on the button that says Edit Event. Once you are in editing mode, you will add Postpone to the end of the event title. Then you will scroll down to your ticket section so that you can deactivate each ticket type, ensuring it is not visible and available for purchase. Click on the pencil icon, scroll down to where it says Ticket Visible, and uncheck that option. Click on Update Ticket. We'll repeat the same process for the next ticket type. Then make sure to click Save. To check your work, you can click on View Event. You will see that the online tickets are no longer available and the event title has the word postponed at the end. Now you have successfully postponed your event. Make sure to also inform our team through the instant messenger found within your Tickeri account.